might be familiar with this one. So on the hand, my hand here, this one that we're going to go for is called Neiguan. Okay, so Neiguan is, if you look at, this is the inside of my hand. Okay, and you see this is my wrist crease here. So this is where my wrist is bending here. And what you can see, if you go into the center of the wrist crease there, and then you kind of move your fingers down and then wiggle them from side to side, you'll see that you're kind of like in a bit of a valley between two tendons. Okay, so you'll feel your tendons, but you'll also find with most people there's a space between the tendons. Now, very occasionally, some people only have one tendon just as a function of their anatomy. So you might not have two tendons, but most people do. Okay, so you want to be in this space, and there are a number of points on this channel which are located in this valley between the tendons. Okay, and this one is about 2 inches down. So 2 inches down around. Just roughly, that's not an exact, because it's not 2 inches really, it's 2 what's called sun, and the sun are measurements from the wrist crease to the elbow, and we use them so they're relative, and there's 12 sun from the wrist crease to the elbow. So if you divide up in half again, that gives you 3, so then come in to find 2 sun from the wrist crease. Okay, so this point is called Neiguan, as I said, and this is the one that's really helpful for nausea, if you feel nausea. So, you know, when you buy you can buy the wristbands for traveling with the pressure points, that's where they tell you to put the little pressure point, you know, where to position the wristband onto Neiguan. So you can massage this and be kind of gentle, because the skin in this area can be quite tender, but you just, with a few circles, circle around. And sometimes if you're quite sensitive, this point's quite sensitive, you might feel a sensation of heaviness running down into the hand. Okay, so this is Neiguan, mainly for nausea, for morning sickness in pregnant women as well. But also it's a nice calm the mind point. Generally very good for digestive problems associated with nausea. So often with digestive issues, people can feel a bit nauseous from time to time. And also for anyone, if you feel really, really tired to the point of feeling a bit sick. So if I get really tired, I start to feel sick because I just know I need to rest and I need to eat. So this one, in the meantime, if you're not in a position to rest or eat immediately, then this can give you a little bit of relief from nausea that's associated with tiredness as well. Okay, so that one is Neiguan there. Okay.